Install the frame. Tighten 8 screws. Install the small screen. Tighten the back screws. Install the monitor. Install the keyboard. Connect the wires. To the back, connect the computer. Now to left, install the jars. Connect the air pressure pipe with alcohol jar. Tighten the knob. Install the sensor. The step of flux jar installation is just like alcohol jar. Placed like this. Then connect the air pressure pipe. Remove the red block on the left. Remove the tiny block above. Remove the red block on the right. Take out the original screw. Take away the red block. Take away the gasket. Then take out a new screw on the fitting bag. Tighten it. Remove the tiny block above. Finish installing. Now turn on the machine. Click the feed distance, pick 0.01. Click Z- until you can see the iron. Take out 2 iron.